We hardcore. I love you guys so much. It's 87th Street, cuz. Go see it. Ah!
We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
Hello.
Saying hi?
I'm gonna make me a plate now.
Happy 4th.
I'm Joe.
My beautiful mother-in-law. I gotta show you guys this cabbage. I already tasted it and it's so freaking.
Oh, isn't it good?
Oh my gosh, you guys.
I'll give you the rest of it.
Yes, please.
Will you try it?
Caleb's birthday cake is so cute.
Will you try it? Is it mustard?
Okay.
I want that fire.
The birthday boy. You miss me, you miss me. Now you gotta kiss me.
Just say, if you don't give a damn, I don't give a...
You're trying to hurt me.
The owner said, well, they paid me on the lot rent, and I do anything about it.
It's a poster thing, not a roll back up and put it back in the bag afterwards. You can hold the baby. I mean, I don't know. Okay.
Corey, stop.
We gotta go get in the picture of all the kids.
ZJ, cooperate. Listen to Aunt Ivy.
Ketchup.
All over my shirt, man. What kind of establishment is this? Where's your food license, sir? Yeah, you better pack it up. Adios, sir.
We got some extra guests with us. We have my nephews, Corey and Caleb. We're stopped by the same train for the second time. Remember the last time we came over here to Grandma Leanie's and we got stopped by the train?
I got that feeling where I have to sneeze, but it's not coming out.
I know, I hate that.
Look up at the sun.
I'm Courtney. Courtney, this is my new room. This is my new room.
I love it, but what is this?
Cole and Cameron.
Oh, I love it, Court. Look at you all grown up and stuff. Who you think you are?
And this
Who you? Y'all, who does she think she? Oh! Who made this cork board for you?
You did.
It was some years ago, but yeah, still holding up.
And then my mirror you made me, the hello mirror downstairs.
Your room bigger than mine now. Oh, you guys, look. Us.
With Phoenix.
Phoenix was in my tummy. Look at Kim. Oh, too cute.
That on there.
Oh gosh, look at you. Girl. Hey y'all.
As fast as you can.
Hold on, come on. Oh, look at y'all. Aw. Is that more big stuff?
One more big stuff.
Oh, goodness. Boombox. Hate seekers. Look at my Gayla. Oh, shoot, you got some big stuff too? Yeah. Is it loud? Hunted fish. Oh, God. Dun, 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 dun.
What you guys say to the vlog today, Carlton?
I just want to say happy 4th to everybody in the family. I love you guys so much.
What you guys say to the vlog?
We hardcore.
What you guys say to the vlog, Ashley? Happy 4th. Zach, say something to the vlog.
Yo, what's up? It's BDBO Showcase. It's 87th Street, cuz. Don't see it.
Say hi. Say something to the vlog. Get it, baby. Ah! Oh, Gabe. No, watch out. Ooh, I'm so sorry. Brittany, what do you have to say to your own vlog?
Subscribe, like, and comment.
We're out here on the streets blowing fireworks up. Happy 4th to all my listeners, all my viewers. Start tagging me and me, Brittany.
That's my brother-in-law, y'all.
At Vlog Cavaluzzi.
I don't know. I think it's underscore Cavaluzzi.
I'll put it on.
What do you guys have to say to the vlog? Crop that out. Okay. What do you guys have to say to the vlog? Salty. What do you guys have to say to the vlog today?
Hi. He won't let me help him with his things.
Let her help. Let her help.
Hey, hey. Happy 4th.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Yeah.
Glad to be here.
Blake, say hi.
No.
Ooh, light one for me so I can throw it. Now do it.
Let me.
Oh, how can you anything? Take your time, take your time.
This is the line for knockout. Oh my gosh, they are crazy.
Yes, sir.
You having a good time? Yeah.
I know. Let me get a plate. Yeah, I was looking for something to munch on, but I didn't want too much. That'll be perfect.
What is that?
Brittany. Without graduated law school, honey. Baby.
Tortilla chips.
Is that the 7-layer?
Yes, ma'am.
Ooh, I gotta get some of that. And then we got some apple pies, little cake thingies.
I put it in the bag.
That's gone.
Pretty dear.
The Didlos are here. Gabe riding his bike in the dark. Hey, boo. What's up, Shine?
What's up?
Gabe, your family's gonna leave you.
Nuh-uh, his family right
You
here.
don't want to stay with
Zach's
Sean.
driving over here.
Rick asked me,
He's going to stick with Shonda.
I asked him, did he miss me? He said no.
It's like this fake nightclub.
Hey everyone, say hey. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment and all that fun stuff, okay? Okay, so Honey and I, I'm exhausted and I have to be at work at 8 o'clock in the morning, but I just got out the shower. He took a shower, the kids took a shower, we have my nephew with us. Yeah, we had a really wonderful day. Not only was it my nephew's birthday, but it was my grandfather's birthday. So I called and talked to him, and my grandmother called my dad. And anyway, okay. My husband says I ramble and talk too much, which makes for boring videos. So I'm trying to be more self-conscious about that. But anyway, did you enjoy your day, honey?
Yeah, I like family time.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, we had a really good day. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I just wanted to do like a little closeout thing because I never ever do. So that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Anything else? Any closing statements or remarks?
Happy 4th of July.